Ako si Teacher Ces, isang public school science teacher sa Mines Elementary. Bilang isang guro, ako ay tumutugon sa tawag ng DepEd na patuloy na suportahan ang Go Education sa pamamagitan ng ibayong pag-aalaga at paggabay sa aming mga mag-aaral habang tinatahak nila ang bagong K-12 curriculum. Ako rin ay makikipagtulungan sa DepEd at sa aming paaralan upang mapaliwanag na mabuti sa mga magulang ang iba't ibang reformang nilunsad ng DepEd upang mapabuti ang estado ng kalidad naming mga guro ng curriculum sa pamamagitan ng K-12 at ng education resources. Sisikapin kong gamitin ang mga additional resources, mga kaalaman, mga panuntunan na pinagkaloob ng Go Education Reform sa aming mga guro upang lalong maging epektibo ang aming pagtuturo. Sisikapin kong maging inspirasyon sa aking kapwa-guro, sa aking pagsusumikap na gampanan ang aking papel tungo sa pag-unlad ng ating bansa sa pamamagitan ng Go Education Reforms. Susuportahan ko ang Go Education dahil sa Go Education, pwede!
Ako po si Pichi Plabiano, isang inang taga-Tondo. Bilang magulang, hangad ko po ang magandang kinabukasan ng aking mga anak. Ako po ay tutugon sa tawag ng DepEd. Susuportahan ko po ang Go Education sa pamamagitan po ng paggabay sa aking mga anak. Makikipagtulungan din po ako sa mga magulang na maintindihan nila na malaki ang maitutulong ito para sa kinabukasan ng aming mga anak. Makikipagtulungan din po ako sa mga guro at pati na rin po sa aming paaralan. Paghahandaan po ng aming pamilya ang bagong kurikulum na ito. Ibabahagi ko po sa kapwa kong magulang na malaki may tutulong ito para sa kinabukasan ng aming mga anak. Susuportahan ko po ang Go Education. Sa Go Education, pwede!
I am Ramon Del Rosario Jr., Chairman of Philippine Business for Education and the Makati Business Club, and a trustee of Philippine Business for Social Progress. We in the private business community in the country fully support education reform because we believe education is one of the key ingredients in our nation's efforts to gain global competitiveness and in our nation's efforts to fight poverty. Precisely, the Philippine business community is expressing its support through several projects. In terms of teacher quality, Philippine Business for Education has as one of its flagship programs a program we call 1,000 Teachers Program, which is a scholarship program designed to attract the best and brightest high school students to consider making teaching a career. In terms of resource mobilization, we are fully behind PBSP's 10 Moves campaign and other programs that they have launched to raise resources to build classrooms and to raise funds for all the desks required as well in support of Philippine education. And certainly, we are solidly behind the Department of Education's efforts to move towards the K-12 system. We were, in fact, one of the key advocates for this program, and we're very pleased to see that the Department of Education has not only moved forward in this program, but has also been able to put in place the legislation needed to institutionalize this and make it a permanent part of our Philippine education system. We are extremely supportive of these efforts, and we cheer the Department of Education's efforts to make this as institutionalized as possible. So we commit and fully believe that this is really something that is worth supporting, and we throw our full support behind this program. I support Go Education. Sa Go Education, pwede.
Sa pagsikat ng araw, may dalang bagong pananaw. Naririnig mo bang busina? Palapit na ang pagbabago. Sama na, halika na. Go Education. May bagong paraan, mas madaming paaralan. Si teacher mas suportado, Sakay na't makiisa, sabay na